In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with Gamma, an AI-powered tool that helps you create stunning presentations, documents, and web pages instantly. We'll explore how to start for free, and I'll walk you through its three main features. To begin, go to gamma.app and click Get Started for free. You can sign up using your Google or your email address. No credit card is required. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where all your projects live. Let's start with its first option, paste in text. Here you can paste any written content, perfect if you already have notes or outlines. Just paste in your content, choose what you'd like to create and what you want to do with the content. Gamma instantly transforms it into a clean, professional presentation, web page, or document. Let's try an example. Here I've input notes for a business product. You can adjust the theme, layout, and tone with just a few clicks. And when you're ready, click Generate. Here, you can see all your finished slides and ways to edit. Next, we have Generate. Here, you can simply describe what you want in a one-line prompt. Choose what you want to create, and Gamma does the heavy lifting, outlining and designing automatically. You can edit text, change images, and add sections. For example, create a presentation about AI productivity tools. Before creating your presentation, Gamma gives you a preview where you can tweak visuals, images, the amount of text, and even the slide layout. Once you're happy, click Generate and let it do its work. Gamma even lets you edit after generation, so your final version is 100% what you want. The third feature is import file or URL. If you already have a document or PowerPoint, just upload it here. Gamma will reform it into a sleek, responsive design, perfect for sharing online or viewing on mobile. Let's try it with this business loan application. Insert your document, choose your layout and preferences, and generate when you're happy to continue. There is also an option to upgrade. If you believe these tools would make your work life easier, whether it's slides or documents, it's often worth the upgrade. Simply click Upgrade for more AI and you'll see plenty of options to find the plan that best suits you. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can create beautiful AI generated presentations and documents for free.